A former La Mesa police officer involved in a controversial arrest was in court today facing a felony charge.
Matthew Dages lost his job after the department accused him of lying about the arrest, which was captured on camera. News 8's Steve Price has reaction from today's preliminary hearing.
Former La Mesa police officer Matthew Dages in court Tuesday for preliminary hearing. He's facing a felony charge for allegedly lying on a police report. And many believe that incident sparked outrage that contributed to a major riot.
His voice sounded sort of urgent and it was kind of loud.
Witnesses on the stand reliving Dages' actions on May 27, 2020. He was working with several other officers on a special trolley fare enforcement operation.
What'd I tell you? I told you I was waiting for somebody to come here?
It happened near the Grossmont Transit Center. Amaurie Johnson waiting for a friend when Dages approaches. Videos don't show their initial interaction, but they do show Dages pushing Johnson several times and eventually arresting him. In his report, Dages said he approached Johnson because he was illegally smoking, a position facts in the case don't seem to support.
The false police report is that he thought he was smoking. He didn't think he was smoking because he had no cigarettes, he had no lighter, he didn't even raise a lit object to his lips. This is a lie.
Supporters of Amaurie Johnson are disappointed that Dages isn't facing more serious charges for his physical actions and credit Amaurie for staying relatively calm.
I see in the video, and we all see in the video, where he's holding Amaurie Johnson, pulling him by the t-shirt, then pushing him away. This is antagonizing. This is kind of like baiting the person into an altercation.
Dages had several supporters in the courtroom who say the charge against him is unwarranted.
Here we have a rogue DA who is prosecuting an officer unjustly. I think she's trying to appease the mob rule. Obviously, 2 days after this George Floyd incident, it's very volatile.
That volatility led to this, a huge riot in the streets of La Mesa that led to multiple injuries and destruction of property.
I saw Mr. Johnson standing up.
This preliminary hearing is to determine if there's enough evidence to send the case to trial. It's scheduled to continue tomorrow.